Student credit card honest review and user experience. Is it worth it? Thinking about the student credit card. Let me walk you through exactly how it worked for me, the benefits, and where it fell a little short. This card is designed for students, so the bar is relatively low to qualify, and it gives you a chance to build credit while you're studying. One of its perks, reward points on every transaction. HSBC, you earn these points when you use the card, even for everyday things like groceries or transport. When I started using it, one of my first wins was a welcome bonus, gives 500 points, about 25 after your first transaction. HSBC, that felt pretty decent as a student just getting started. Then, if you spend over 10 in your first year, you get another 500 points. That's quite high for a student, but if you can manage it, it's a nice boost. HSBC. Another plus is that you can use these points to pay for everyday things via the MasterCard Pay with Rewards app. So you're not just accumulating points, you can actually reduce your spending directly. HSBC. However, this card is not without its costs. The purchase rate is high, about 26.9% variable per. HSBC, that means carrying a balance is expensive. For me, that meant treating it like a debit card, only spending what I knew I could pay off. Also, the welcome bonus and point structure are nice, but not super generous compared to premium cards. As a student, you don't have access to the big travel perks, but then again, you probably don't need them yet. In terms of day-to-day usage, though, I found it very handy. It helped me build credit, and I used the reward points to offset small purchases. I didn't feel pressured to go overboard on spending just to earn rewards. In conclusion, if you're a student looking for a credit card that helps you build credit, offers simple reward points, and gives a decent sign-up bonus, the student credit card can be a very good pick. Just make sure to pay off your balance every month to avoid those steep interest charges. Absolutely, here are all 6 fully polished scripts following your exact roles. Title start. Brompton review. My honest user experience with this iconic folding bike brand. Title end. Script start. Brompton review. My honest user experience with this iconic folding bike brand. Most people think folding bikes are uncomfortable, slow and awkward. But Brompton completely changed my mind. This little bike folds in under 20 seconds into a compact, suitcase-sized package, perfect for city life, small apartments and public transport. And the surprising truth is, it rides like a full-size bike. The first thing I noticed was the design. Every Brompton is handcrafted with clever engineering that feels premium. The fold is smooth and intuitive. The magnet and clip system locks everything firmly in place, so you can roll the bike like luggage when folded. It's a lifesaver when navigating train stations or elevators. Performance-wise, I expected something flimsy, but Brompton steel or titanium frame options give real stability. The smaller wheels actually make acceleration faster in stop-and-go traffic, and with different handlebar styles, gearing options, and accessories like racks or electric assist, you can tailor the bike to your lifestyle. On longer rides, I found it surprisingly comfortable once I adjusted the seat height properly. The suspension block at the rear absorbs bumps better than I expected for such a compact bike. It won't replace a high-end road bike, but for daily commuting it's more than enough. The biggest drawback? Price. Brompton bikes cost noticeably more than most folding competitors, but they also hold value extremely well. Many used Bromptons sell for only a little less than the original price, proof of trusted brand reputation and durability. Maintenance is low. The bike is theft resistant because you can keep it beside you indoors, and it adapts to almost any environment: buses, subways, car trunks, office corners and tiny closets. To wrap up, Brompton isn't just a folding bike, it's freedom for urban travel. If you want convenience, portability and a smooth ride in a stylish package, it's absolutely worth considering. Once you try one, it's hard to go back to a regular bike.